Call.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Hamilton, Boone, Kenton, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:41 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located near Crescent Park, moving northwest at 10 miles an hour.
What?
Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, quarter-size hail. Locations impacted include Villa Hills, Delhi Township. In addition, CVG Airport, Constance, Francisville, Mac, Covedale, and Bridgetown are near the path of this severe thunderstorm. This includes the following Interstate 75 between mile markers 182 and 190 in Kentucky. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.